Hi all, John Jarvis here from eBusinessMasterclass.com. Welcome to this training course, which will be a step-by-step system on how to use WordPress to create a website for a business. How to build a traffic-getting website, to be exact. So for anyone taking this training that happens to be brand new to this type of thing, what is WordPress? In simple terms, WordPress is a free software that creates an easy button for building websites. The fact is, you're going to find thousands of WordPress tutorials online these days. What's going to make this one different? Every WordPress course that I've ever bought teaches us how to set up a website, but they don't mention in any way whatsoever what we do afterwards. If all you ever do is build a website, no one will ever see it. If you build it, they will come does not apply to a website. So you can own a website that gets visitors like this, or you can own a website that gets visitors like this, or even more. I've built websites that's had up to 2,000 unique visitors daily in the past. In this WordPress training course, you're going to learn how to add content to your website. None of the courses I've ever bought teaches that. Adding content means that you're going to learn how to add words, you're going to learn the proper way to add images, and you're also going to learn the easy way to add videos to your website. The most important thing of all here is that I'm going to show you step by step how to use this content to get website traffic or people coming to your website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. After you finish up this training module on how to build your website, you'll be taken straight to the next module, which will be the eBusiness Masterclass Content Creation System. So here's what you're going to learn in this section of your WordPress website course. In step 1, I'll talk about your website hosting and your domain name. Does the web server that holds your website make a difference? What should you use for a domain name? If your domain is already owned by someone else, where can you find a substitute? Does this even matter? Then in step 2, you're going to choose your website host provider and register your own domain name, saving yourself a lot of money without giving up professionalism. In step 3, you're going to go through WordPress installation step by step. You'll also learn how to create your own professional email account and how to forward it to an email address that you're already used to using. And again, we're going to be using the easy button here, so please don't think that any of this will be too hard for you to do. Then in step 4, we'll install and set up WordPress Plugins, which is more free software to add to your easy button arsenal. These plugins are more software that's going to play a big role in getting free traffic to your website, plus they'll keep your website hack-free and bulletproof. Another chore that we'll accomplish in this step is to get your WordPress settings right while we're setting up your WordPress plugins. Then in step 5, I'm going to fill you in on WordPress Themes. Which themes are best to showcase you and your business as a professional, and at the same time, the best to keep people coming to your website for free. In step 5, we'll end this module in the eBusiness Masterclass step-by-step system on how to build a traffic-getting website. So let's get started with step 1. Let's talk about your website hosting and your domain name.